Hi, today I'm going to be reviewing the Becca First Light Priming Filter. That I just picked up at Sephora, and the bottle is 1 ounce and it sells for $38. It just came on the market, I believe it was yesterday. And this is meant to be a primer that you would use after moisturizing your face, if you use a moisturizer, if not, right before your foundation. But the nice thing about this is it has mineral spring water, prickly pear flower, which is really good for your skin, the prickly pear. And then it's also got the sodium hyaluronate, and then also ginger. And the only thing that I was bummed about upon using this for the first time was the fragrance in it. It's definitely got like a citrus, lemonish smell, fragrance to it. So that to me was a big bummer, but the nice thing is that is after the good ingredients, so it's got that going for it. It's fragrance, but it's got the good stuff in there first. So, but it's meant to be used before foundation or even alone, because it blurs imperfections and evens out some redness or uneven skin tone. So, and it's got a nice lavender color. But as you can see, once you apply it, it soaks in pretty quickly and gives you kind of a fresh face to start with. Or sometimes if you don't have any wrinkles or any other imperfections, you could just wear it alone without foundation. So this is definitely a nice addition to the Becca line, and I look forward to trying it out several more days here. And the nice thing about the fragrance that's in it is it does kind of dissipate quickly, so that's always a good thing. So so far I'm going to give it 2 thumbs up, but I'm interested if any of you guys have had a chance to try it yet or are thinking about going out and purchasing it. Leave me a comment below, and also I come out with at least 1 new video every day, so feel free to subscribe. Thank you guys.